All right, so I have a video that I'm going to work on now. I'm hoping to get it done in one video, but as you guys who have been following my channel know, I get cut off a lot, so I want to see how much I can get done. I had this, it came with something, and it's just was supposed to be garbage, but I'm using it because I'm trying to figure out how to make it into a bracelet or some sort of a chain, because I think it looks really interesting. So I don't know, it's too big for my wrist, but I think if I can make it into some sort of a necklace, it would work. So that's something else. I always tell you guys when I'm going to do a new project, so that's a new project that I'll probably try to do. My voice isn't great today. I'm doing as many videos as possible so that I can keep the situation in front of as many people as possible. So I'm going to show you guys a new craft. I was going to use this. This comes from, you know, the lemon squeezy thing, the juice that you're putting in this, and I cut it. And I was going to use it as a votive to put a candle inside. But in the process of cutting it, I made it, I dented it. So I'm going to have to do something with it. Let's see. Okay. You see how it is really cool for a candle to go inside. Not a flammable, but a flameless one. But because I dented it, I wanted to cover it. So I'm going to cover it with some of these water bottle caps. But then I said, let me leave it, think about it. Instead, what I'm going to do is do something like this with the water bottle caps, so that I'll show you what I think I can do with it. I'm going to take out some water bottle caps. I put them in here so that they don't fall all over. And then I put them in this cookie tin, cookie tray, so that I can just get it quickly. So I think that should be enough. And let's see what I can create with this. I hope I can create something that's quick and easy. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take the hot glue and start to glue the caps together. I think I need more glue on this one. Okay, so far I'm attaching them. I'm going to put one in the middle. And now that I put one in the middle, I'm going to put glue on the sides and curve these together and hold it, because I'm getting glue all over and I want to make sure it sticks before I add more. So as you can see, I'm getting a lot of glue everywhere. Okay. So now that I have this shape, I'm going to add another cap right here. And now I'm going to add a cap to the middle between these two caps. So then there's only one more cap that I'll add right there. Okay, so here's the first part. Now, I'm thinking that you could probably use this as something on its own without adding more caps, because this looks like it could be like an ornament or something. So I'm going to continue to make it into some sort of a stand. So instead of putting the cap on top of each other, I'm going to put it in between. I got glue on the table, on my fingers, everywhere. And now I'm going to put one more cap right there. Okay, so here we are, another layer. So for this layer, I'm putting it towards the outside so that this will hang over a little. So this goes towards the outside. So this layer will go towards the outside. So you'll have outside, inside, like that. Okay, so this is towards the outside. As you guys can see, you have the outside, inside, outside, and I'm still just going around creating this towards the outside. I'm going to put glue in between because I lifted the other one up. So let me put some glue in between so it can stay. Okay. Okay, so it's coming together. I have so much glue everywhere. Okay, so as you can see, this is a craft that requires a lot of glue, but it's coming together slowly. Okay, I don't want them to cut me off, so I'm going to go fast so that I can complete this, because I think I'm almost done. I'm not going to make it too high. So you guys see already, I'm not making it too high.